banners all around the stadium commemorating all the different Super Bowls. Of course, Super Bowl I, you know where that was, LA Coliseum. And then these little banners, they just continue all the way up Prairie as you get to the stadium, commemorating all the different Super Bowls. Seeing these cacti blooming all over the stadium. You can see these, I don't know if they're flowers or what, but they've been pushing out all at the same time. Saw a few bees here and there on them. They seem to like them. As we work our way up to the residential area, it says this parking garage is open. I'm not sure if that's entirely true, but the gate's open here temporarily. We'll take a look here at the residential. You hear and see a lot of work going on here, mostly internal, I guess, because I've yet to see any of the what the final look will be as far as externals. I'm very curious. And I'd love to see what it looks like inside as well. And here's one of the walkways here on Hardy Street. And they are getting some festivities going for the Super Bowl, tents and things. I gotta hoist my camera up over the fence here. I'll show you in a second. It looks like there's several tents here for some types of festivities. Be a lot of parties and entertainment leading up to the Super Bowl. Alright, so here we are at the retail district area.